Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your our Tesco account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. For me, it will be the Google Chrome, as you can see. And on your browser, click on the search bar like this and type in ourtesco.com and hit enter, or you can just simply search for our Tesco login in Google itself and hit enter, and see you can find the ourtesco.com on the first result of Google itself. Click on ourtesco.com, and both are the same page, so I'll be closing one of them. And now after landing on this page, you will be required to enter your username, which is also the tesco.com ID, and after that click on continue. Then next you will be required to enter your password, and if you forgot your password, just simply click on the forgot password option over here, and you will be taken to a process where you can retrieve or reset your password. And there, this is how you log into your Tesco account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.